Before buying a range hood, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. It's about how well these hoods actually clear smoke and odors while keeping your kitchen comfortable. Product number 1, Breedy Portable Range Hood. The Breedy Portable Range Hood caught my eye with its compact design and budget-friendly price of $99.99. If you want something that clears smoke effectively in small spaces, this is worth a serious look. This countertop range hood is designed to tackle smoke and odors without needing installation or ducts. It features a 5-layer filtration system, which means it captures not just smoke but grease and odors too. You can adjust the speed with 3 settings, which is great for different cooking intensities. Plus, at noise levels between 50–65 dB, it won't disturb your cooking piece. Now, some people complained about not having enough suction power for larger cooking appliances. Here's the thing though, if you're using it in a small kitchen or for light cooking, it's more than adequate. It's truly meant for compact spaces. This is perfect for you if you live in an apartment or have a small kitchen setup. Skip this one if you need something for heavy-duty cooking or larger setups, but at $99.99, it's a solid pick for the price. Now, if the Breedy's suction power had you worried, the next one on my list might actually be even better for intense cooking needs. Product number 2, TUCO Portable Range Hood. Next up is the TUCO Portable Range Hood, priced at $79.90. I was drawn to its strong performance claims, especially considering its compact size. If you're in need of powerful smoke removal in tight spaces, this one's worth checking out. This unit also boasts a 5-layer filtration system, similar to the Breedy, but it's specifically designed to handle higher smoke levels efficiently. It delivers the same 95 CFM airflow, and with 3 speeds, it's perfect for different cooking situations. The plug-and-play design means you can set it up without any ducting, which is a huge plus. And don't forget the built-in LED light that makes it easier to see while you cook. However, some users noted it can be a bit noisy at higher speeds. But honestly, with its power, a little noise is a fair trade-off if you want to reduce smoke and odors effectively. This is perfect for you if you often cook in smaller kitchens or RVs. Skip this if you require heavy-duty ventilation for restaurant-grade cooking, but at $79.90, it's a great value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually surprise you with its innovative design. Product number 3, SHRINLUCK Portable Range Hood. Now let's talk about the SHRINLUCK Portable Range Hood, which is priced at $84.99. What really caught my attention here is the innovative side vent design. If you want powerful smoke removal with a modern touch, this one deserves your attention. This model offers a unique side vent exhaust that captures smoke directly at the source, making it more efficient. You can adjust the fan speed to match your cooking style, and at just 3755 dB, it's quieter than a coffee maker. The plug-and-play setup means you can enjoy cleaner air without any complicated installation. That said, some reviews mentioned initial difficulties with filter replacements. But I'll be real with you, once you get the hang of it, it's straightforward and the quiet operation is a win. This is perfect for you if you often grill indoors or cook with strong odors. Skip this if your kitchen space isn't too compact, but at $84.99, it's a smart investment for anyone looking for efficiency. Now, if you're looking for something a bit different in terms of design, the next product might be right up your alley. Product number 4, AURVOX Portable Range Hood. Next, I have the AURVOX Portable Range Hood, which is priced at $74.99. Its adjustable height feature really caught my eye. If you need flexibility in a range hood for various cooking tasks, this one could be what you're looking for. This model is unique because you can adjust its height and angle for precise smoke capture, making it ideal for different cooking setups. It offers strong airflow while maintaining low noise levels, which is essential if you're in a small living space. You can also use it with or without an activated carbon filter, depending on your needs. However, some users found the height adjustment a bit tricky at first. But honestly, once you get used to it, it really helps in managing smoke better, especially when cooking heavier meals. This is perfect for you if you have a flexible cooking setup, such as in an RV or small kitchen. Skip this if you prefer a fixed design with no adjustments, but at just $74.99, it's a great value. Now, if you're looking for more power and traditional design, the last product is definitely worth considering. Product number 5, Argiolas Under Cabinet Range Hood. Finally, let's check out the Argiolas Under Cabinet Range Hood, priced at $83.99. What drew me to this model is its powerful ventilation paired with a sleek look. If you want something that can handle serious cooking while looking great, this could be your pick. This 30-inch range hood offers an impressive 300 CFM airflow, meaning it can clear the air quickly, even during heavy cooking. It features a 3-layer dishwasher-safe filter, making maintenance a breeze. Plus, it operates quietly at 60 dB, so you can cook without all that noise. The flexible installation options are also a big plus, as it can be used ducted or ductless. But some users mention the installation can be a bit tricky due to the wiring. Here's the thing though, if you're handy or have someone who can help, this is a minor issue compared to its performance. This is perfect for you if you want a powerful hood that fits seamlessly into your kitchen decor. Skip this if you're not comfortable with installation, but at $83.99, it offers excellent value for its capabilities. So there you have it, 5 great range hoods for clearing smoke. Whether you need something compact and portable like the Breedy or TUCO, or you want the power of the Argiolas, there's something here for everyone. Choose based on your cooking needs and kitchen space to get the best experience. Happy cooking!